all sorts of whiskey throttle.
Full pin in the air with no resistance, it might spin so fast that the motor might act funny or something. Feel it out. I'm just saying. It's not a Stark, so it's not like built.
And it is in a KTM frame. So I'm not so sure that I'm completely trustworthy of this thing, but we're going to see how it goes. These bars, man, these bars are like, this reminds me of a bicycle.
Did you get a rundown of how to turn it on and all that?
I'm a freestyle guy, alright?
Yeah, you bar hops all day.
Yeah.
Well, I do know that we have Grant Harlan. It's a KTM because Grant Harlan's number is on the frame, so I have to let Grant know about that. And yeah, how you turn this thing on?
Okay, down on the gas tank,
Well,
which is no longer a gas tank.
Yeah, the
Green one is power. Yeah.
Okay.
And then now the red one above it, all the way down is 450.
Okay.
And that's probably all you need to know.
Yeah! We're getting on the electric bike. I'm gonna sing a song. I don't know what song it's gonna be. You can hear everything on this thing though. There's one thing to be able to hear the bike, but it's really weird being able to hear turf and what's underneath the turf. Like that? Yeah. Whoa, back brake front there. Look out, look out. Catch Michael and his KTM. He's like a passer. Whoa, I got a whiskey bug. I got all sorts of whiskey throttle. Yeah, this thing's fun. I like this bike. Oh, but I like my Yamaha better. Sorry to tell you, but it's my thing. That's my thing, dude. Hey, did you fall down on that thing?
Yeah.
Dude,
Do what?
you freaking pipes bit.
No, it's not. Oh, well, Fuller wrecked it. Yeah. It's the one he wrecked, you know?
Oh, man.
Yeah. The front axle was stripped too. So the guy told me to tell you, and I was like, yeah, it was Brett.
It was?
Yeah, that's why it took forever to switch the front tire flat. You gave it to me with 2 times because I pinched it the first one. I stripped an axle bolt out. And he was like over there going, trying to put it back
He's going,
in.
what happened?
Hell?
Who owned this bike?
Yeah, right. And he was like, he come on, he got a new axle. He said, you show Brett. Yeah, he's gonna owe me axle. And I was like, I'll tell him.
That's awesome.
Yeah, this one.
Trying to.
Fuller,
trying
I guess
to.
he did. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, he bent her in a good little
Oh,
amount.
he hit hard.
Yeah, he must have.
But let's see, I hadn't ran it. I want to try that suspension though.
Yeah, that's
This thing was killer.
Doing well, Mike.
it's cool. Yeah, for sure. But it's
Hey,
different.
Richard, this is Brad. Q, this is my friend
How's it
Richard.
going, Richard? Good to meet you, for sure.
So it's got 3 different modes, right? It's total custom job that my buddy did, TJ, and it's got the power set up for a trail mode. So when you're out there cruising around, it'll stand right up and pop over logs, but it'll top out more like a Suron or Talaria speed. And then you can switch down into the middle and have an angry 250, and then you can go all the way down and get a pissed off 450. And I'm calling you out, Brett, for a drag race. It was time. It's a 2016, you know, and I'm starting to jump the ramps further and further, right? So I was like, man, and then the second gear was ghosting on me, and it was time to do top, bottom, clutch, everything. And I figured, instead of spending that amount of money on a whole new motor and everything for the bike, or selling the bike for $2 or $3 grand, why not just spend $3,000 or $4,000, convert it to this, and now I've got all these different power options. My 10-year-old can ride it. He rides better than me. I can ride it. Friends can ride it. You can ride it.
Am I not your friend? I know we just met, but come on. I thought we were cool with that.